Good morning, Cresskill students. I'm listening to some of your Google assignments and I wanted to check in with my trumpet players to see if we're all using good posture and we're all separating our notes with our tongue when we play. Some of you have gotten really good at your first few notes, C, D, E, and F, and some of you have extended all the way up to G. So when you're practicing, it always helps to make sure you can hear those pitches before you start. The 5-note songs do have at the top of the page how to play the notes if you forget using the diagrams. C, always hold out a C before you start playing. Make sure your posture is good. Posture check. Sitting at the front of a chair, back is always straight. Instrument is held up this way. And don't bounce when you play. Some of you are bouncing when you play your notes and it's affecting the way the sound comes out of your instrument. So instead of bouncing, tap your foot or separate the notes with your tongue to keep the beat. Ta, 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 ta. How did I do that? We do something called tonguing on our instruments. So if we haven't discussed that during lessons, please remember to bring that up with me and I'll give you a more thorough explanation. Every student learns it differently and different approaches help in different ways. So keep up the great work. If you have questions about your assignment, you can email me. I'll be around. Thank you for practicing. Bye.